Hey, Hattie Mae. Here's the love of your life again, old Ulysses Baxter. Well, I ain't too happy if you, as you can tell, baby. I got some bad news. Come to find out my children want to put me in a nursing home. Get that? You feed them, you put clothes on their back, you give them everything they need, and the first thing they do when they get older, they ain't got no time for you, is throw you in a nursing home. Ain't that something? Well, these kids nowadays, boy, I tell you the truth, Hattie, they ain't no good. Baby, you need to get in touch with me as soon as possible and get me out of here. I can't do this, Hattie Mae. Now, ain't nowhere in the hell I'm going to no nursing home. That place ain't nothing but hell. You want to know where the devil is? That's where he's at, right there. You know, I done heard horror stories after horror. You remember my uncle Slim? Yeah, 300-pound Slim. Slim, the last time I saw Slim, because, you know, I used to go and visit him. Slim ended up dying in that place. He was 300 pounds going in there, and last time I saw him, he looked like wet plastic. Shriveled all up and stuff. All you saw was eyeballs. He used to tell me all the time, all the horror stories. One night, and this would stop me from going up in there. He said, don't you ever come up in there. But he told me this story. He said, one night, he woke up with a real bad stomach ache. It hurt him so bad he couldn't get up to go to the bathroom. So yeah, he let something go. Well, it wasn't gonna go nowhere else. Well, he got to get that stuff up off of him. He pressed the button and told the lady or the helper to come in there to clean him up. And she came in there, and the first thing she started doing was cussing. I guess the smell, I don't know. Well, she cleaned him up, but she was cussing at him, and she wiped him down, and he said, all of a sudden she just started beating him with the shit in his drawer. He said that was the worst experience he ever had in his life. Shit everywhere. I ain't going in there, Hattie Mae. I'm not going through that. I'd rather die. Lord can take me home now. They do things to you, Hattie. They taunt you, they slap you, they put things in you and on you. They strap you to a bed and make you watch the reality shows all damn day. Now you know I ain't going for that now. Now, baby, I'm reaching out to you. I need your help. Call me, email, you do anything to get in touch with me. I'm trying to reach out to you, baby. But I told them folks I ain't going in there. I'm sleeping with my cane and my gun. I told them, don't you touch me tonight. Somebody going to jail or somebody going to hell. But look, baby, I just want to let you know what I'm going through now, because if anything happened, I done told you. Okay? You know. I just want to, I know it's late, but I'm going to go ahead and go. All right. Well, until next time, okay? All right. Love you.